Welcome to 12 Fitzgerald Lane, where New England charm meets everyday comfortable living. This home flows beautifully from the sun-filled two-story foyer into the elegant formal spaces and a warm sunken family room with fireplace. The kitchen is designed for real life with generous workspace, casual seating, and bright eat-in area. Upstairs, the primary suite and rare bonus room creates a flexible retreat ideal for home office, studio, or quiet lounge. The finished lower level adds even more space for recreational activities. Outside, the deck and backyard offer a peaceful place to unwind and enjoy natural surroundings. Come see this lovely home. I'm Atamian. Love life, cherish home.